Life is a dance between the duality of our internal dialogue and the silence of the universe. Energy flows where our attention is focused. Changing your energy to visualize yourself as successful is the first step towards realizing your dreams. The inner dialogue you carry with you is the noise of thousands of voices you've heard throughout your life, from your childhood to now. These are the voices of parents, teachers, friends, and society. But what many forget is that there's an inner voice, a silent consciousness that is your true essence. I want you to understand something even deeper. Before manifesting your desires and dreams, you must first harmonize with your own nature. And what is that nature? It's silence, presence, the here and now. Many try to change their inner dialogue because they want to manifest material desires. But I leave you with a question: why not try to manifest inner peace, joy, and unconditional love? When you connect with this inner essence, everything you seek in the external world begins to manifest naturally as you become a magnet for positivity. As you progress on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, it's essential to remember that every step you take is a conscious choice towards a more aligned and harmonious life. It's not just about manifesting desires or tangible goals, but about cultivating a deeper connection with your very essence, the true nature of who you are. The external world is merely a reflection of the depths of our soul. Every mountain we see, every river that flows, is a manifestation of the inner landscape we inhabit. And like the river that flows continually, we must learn to flow with life's current, accepting every twist and turn, every stone in our path, as an opportunity to learn and grow. If there's chaos and conflict in your mind, it will reflect in your reality. But if you cultivate peace, joy, and love in your heart, you'll see it reflected in all aspects of your life. Many don't realize, but all who have achieved success on their journey have applied the law of assumption. From the 1930s to contemporary times, there were individuals determined to thrive in the material world. Their inner dialogues emanated from visions of successful ventures, directing the full force of imagination towards their goals. If the longing for something dwells within us, so does the inner dialogue that guides how imagination will manifest in reality. Delve deeper into the practice of meditation, not as a technique but as a way of life. Let this serenity and clarity infuse every aspect of your life, allowing you to see beauty and purpose in every experience, no matter how challenging it may seem at first glance. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you access that inner peace and silence. It's not an escape from reality but an immersion into your true nature. When you meditate, you're not trying to achieve something or get somewhere, you're just being. In this state of being, you can observe your inner dialogue without judgment and detachment. As you observe, you begin to disidentify from these thoughts and identify with the silent observer. True power isn't in controlling your inner dialogue but in not being controlled by it. True freedom isn't about manifesting everything you desire but in not desiring anything and yet finding joy and satisfaction in every moment. While you practice the art of changing your internal dialogue, also delve into the art of listening to the silence. In the silence, you'll find all the answers. In silence, you'll find yourself. I wish to share strategies on how to realize your desires in 24 hours through the technique of inner dialogue. Each time you quiet the mind and connect with the inner space of peace and serenity, you draw closer to the source of all creation. This source isn't something external but an eternal flame that resides within each of us. And it's in this connection that we find life's true magic. This silence isn't the absence of sound but the presence of everything. It's the fabric of the universe, pure consciousness from which everything emerges and to which everything returns. Dive into this silence daily, even for a few moments, and you'll start to hear the gentle melody of the soul, the eternal song of the universe. Within this space, all possibilities exist. When we allow ourselves to be present and fully engaged in the moment, life unfolds in ways we could never imagine. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, always conspires in our favor, gently guiding us along the path most beneficial for our growth and evolution. So as you work to refine your inner dialogue and align your thoughts and desires with your true intentions, also make room for the unknown. Allow the universe to surprise you. Trust the process and know that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. I encourage you to continue this journey of self-exploration and growth. The real magic isn't just in manifestation but in the journey itself, in the discoveries, the revelations, and the unconditional love you uncover for yourself and the world around you. The soul's journey is as vast as starry skies and as deep as the oceans. As we delve into our being, we discover layers of consciousness as old as time and as fresh as morning. Throughout the ages, many have sought truth externally, in grand temples, sacred texts, and enlightened gurus. But know that the true temple resides within each heart. It's in this sacred sanctuary that true wisdom waits to be discovered. As you work on your inner dialogue, also remember to connect with the ancestral wisdom in your DNA, the whispers of nature, and the cosmic dance of the stars. You aren't separate from the cosmos, you are a unique and divine expression of it. The mind, with its numerous thoughts and stirrings, is like a restless monkey always jumping from one branch to another. Many get lost in the mind's mazes. But beyond the mind lies the vast sky of consciousness. To access it, there's no need to suppress or fight the mind, but to observe it with compassion and detachment. As a silent observer, witness thoughts coming and going without clinging or judging. Soon, you'll discover that between these thoughts lies a space of silence, a fertile void where true wisdom resides. Manifestation isn't just about bringing material things into your life but aligning with your true nature and purpose. When you align with the divine flow, all that's truly meant for you comes to your hands with grace and ease. As you walk this earth, remember to walk with humility, gratitude, and love. Every being you encounter is a reflection of you, a teacher, a mirror of consciousness. Embrace everyone with the same love and respect with which you embrace yourself. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.